guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'd just like to introduce myself. I'm Nat, also known as That Nakery Girl, and I'm here today to bring you another raw vegan recipe that you can make at home. So due to popular demand, today's recipe is going to be our chocolate hazelnut dream bars. I had so many of you requesting these on the Nakery page when we put them out, and they're actually amazing. The combination of the chocolate and hazelnuts just works so well together, and I know you're going to love this recipe. The only ingredients that you'll need for these are some oats, some hazelnut butter, some chopped hazelnuts, maple and carob powder. Once we've done the first layer, we'll just be adding our usual raw chocolate layer on top, and then these are literally ready to go. For the base layer, we will need some oat flour. To do this, you're just going to add your oats into the blender and blitz until they reach a fine flour consistency. Then you want to add your maple, your hazelnut butter and your carob powder. Blend this until it all comes together and goes into a dough-like consistency. Once that's done, you want to start to press it into your bar tray. We got these silicone bar trays online, and I will put the link in the description if you want to get these. But if not, you can just use any tray you have. You just want to make sure that you line it with greaseproof paper so that it comes out easy at the end. Once you've pressed all your mix down into the individual bars, you can then start to add some chopped hazelnuts. You can simply just press these in as you go. They're really good for minerals like manganese and copper, and they're also high in omega fatty acids, which are really important to incorporate on a plant-based lifestyle. Now it's time to make the raw chocolate layer. Be prepared to have your house smelling so amazing with all of these aromas. If you've followed me for a while, then you'll know that we use this in a lot of our recipes. You simply just put your pan on a low heat and add your cacao butter, your maple and your cacao powder to the pan. You just want to stir this, making sure that it doesn't stick and burn at the bottom of the pan. Once this is done, you can simply pour it over the hazelnut bars, and then you can just set them in the freezer. So there you have it, another super simple but really tasty recipe to try at home. You can literally get the whole family involved in this, and there's not many ingredients needed for this one. These are really good to make in batches, and then you can freeze them for up to 1 month. With it all being raw, there's nothing at all that will really go off in there. Just make sure that you keep them cold. I really hope that you enjoy recreating this recipe at home. Don't forget to hit like and let me know what you think in the comments below. You can subscribe over here so you don't miss any of my other content. And you can also see the latest episode of the Naked Truth podcast, a really insightful one with Gaia and Claude over here. Thanks guys.